Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Wi-Fi settings are missing on your Surface device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start by opening up the Start menu. Go ahead and select the setting gear icon left side where you hover over it. Should say Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select the Network and Internet tile. You want to locate something that says airplane mode on the left side. So you want to go to click on that and then make sure airplane mode is turned off. So you'd select airplane mode and then turn it off on the status page. So I don't have that on my desktop here, but again, network and internet, and then underneath here there'd be something that says airplane mode. You would select it and then make sure that's toggled to the off position. You close out of here and then just about immediate, and then I believe the results should be pretty visible immediately, and you should be able to connect to your Wi-Fi network at that point. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.